I am back again with another hair review on this lovely long curly wig here. Now I'm really excited to talk about this wig because I almost lost faith in this company, but they came back with a vengeance. So this is from Freetress Equal, and her name is IL002, and I have her in the color, because it's long, OM3F29953. Okay? Basically, a 99J. It's an ombre of, y'all, bras. But it's basically an ombre of like 1 and a 99J, but the red is a little redder. So let's talk about this wig. So this wig is, let me make sure I'm telling you all correctly. I believe it's 13 by 5. It's a 13 by 5 wig, and that means that it is from ear to ear, and the lace stops kind of about like right here. So you have tons of parting space. Now I haven't reviewed a Freetress Equal wig in a very long time, just because they kind of like, to me, they kind of like slacked off and trying to like keep up with the competitors, because I love Freetress Equal. So I was always a Freetress Equal type person, trying to find wigs and stuff that they were buying or making. But when I found this golden beauty here, I was like, all right, well, y'all done sold me again. So let's talk about the pros. I want to start with the good things first. First of all, if you like long hair, this wig is probably 26 inches, and it's not even straightened. So this wig is about 26 inches, so she is extremely long. The hair is not like super fine. I feel like it has like some yaki-esque to it, but it's maybe like a hint of yaki, but it's not like super shiny or anything. I love the curls. I feel like this is very girls night out, or not even girls night, date night or first dates and stuff like that, and you trying to look seductive. So, you know, I feel like this would be good for that. Or something formal. Now, I know things going on and all that, so it's not going to be anything too formal, because, you know, we got to stay 6 feet apart. But this would be good on a regular world day for formals. Now, the cons. Shedding. It sheds. This wig sheds, and I'm gonna say that it sheds, and I'm gonna say because it's long and it's synthetic. Now, there is never a time that I'm gonna come to y'all and tell y'all that a synthetic wig does not shed. It's gonna be some shedding. Your real hair sheds, okay? So when you start putting real hair and synthetic hair and you're sewing it on a cap and all this other stuff, it's gonna shed. It's just going to. So this wig sheds a lot. And the tangling, it's some tangling there. I had to comb her a little bit. I was trying to like finger comb her, you know, so I wouldn't have to use a comb, but I had to, because my fingers was getting caught, so I had to go ahead and comb her. But She's a pretty wig. Freetress. I mean, the tangling and the shedding can be a little better, but I really do like this wig. Now, the cap construction, there are 2 combs in the front, and this is a track. There's 2 combs, not front, but like the middle of the head, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. There is an elastic band. So I feel like this wig is very big head friendly. So if you're on the larger head size, you know, this would work. Or if you don't want to glue your wig down, and you want it to be glueless, the adjustable straps and the elastic band is perfect for that. Yeah, you can curl her if you want. You can curl her, straighten her. She is curling iron safe, so you can do all that wonderful stuff to this wig. All I did was I parted it. I did my little part, and I just added foundation in the part, and that was about it. All my little baby hairs, y'all. I struggle with baby hairs on a daily. It's like the times that I feel like I'm doing good, it's like, what is that? But no, this wig did not come with super gigantic long bangs baby hair. The baby hairs were I like the baby hairs. Baby hairs was an appropriate length because baby hair is not this long, okay? Baby hair is supposed to be, babies are small, so it's supposed to be small. So I did appreciate the baby hairs on this wig. So yeah. This is a long wig. It is. I like it. And if y'all want to know what's on my lippy lip, go ahead and look down below. I'll have all that information for you all. But lovelies, I'm so happy you all have joined me on another journey of hairdom. I want you all to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. And as always, lovelies, you know, stay safe in the zombie apocalypse times and stay lovely.